Hi guys, hope you all are doing fine. As we all know, I'm in college now and I have been having a lot of fun studying filmmaking because filmmaking is something that I've always wanted to do, and finally I'm getting to do that. But the only issue is because I keep traveling. You saw I was in Cape Town, then I came back, then there was the press conferences, the interviews, and then I went back to Udaipur, and I've been traveling ever since. So I had my exams and it was really difficult for me to cope up like entirely because the course is long. There are a lot of things that I have to get to know, because I know the practical knowledge, but then when it comes to theory, it has like a lot of depths, it has a lot of concepts that I need to know. But because of the traveling, because of my work, I missed out. So I found a very cool and interesting place which has helped me, like genuinely helped me a lot. So I have found this place called Skillshare, which is an online learning community which helps you explore yourselves. You can learn a lot of new things, new skills, and explore your creativity. Skillshare is genuinely very cool because it has 1,000+ classes for creators, and there are a lot of categories. I'm not kidding. There's animation, there's filmmaking, gardening, productivity, creative writing, film and video. It's very easy to join Skillshare. All you have to do is put your email ID and you can see all the different kinds of classes. You can take any of them. So I had taken graphic designing because there are a lot of subjects and there are a lot of topics in filmmaking, but graphic designing is one of those important and very difficult topics which has a lot of technicalities and a lot of details, and it's also very interesting. So this class, graphic designing, had 9 classes in total, and it was taken by Miss Ellen Lupton and Cooper Hewitt, and it was a really nice class because it helped me give my exams, and I was so much more confident while giving exams. So as you can see, there are a lot of recommendations, graphic designing, and then you can see how many people are doing this class. When you go into it, you can see there are lessons. It's a 36-minute lesson only, and there's introduction, there's symmetry versus asymmetry, and everything related to graphic design. The best part about Skillshare is that it's a proper learning community. So there are no ads, so no disturbance. That's what I love about Skillshare. And now that I'm done with graphic designing, I think I'm gonna take up interior designing because that is one element that I've always kind of been fond of, but I've never explored that side of creativity. So I'm gonna go take that class, and you guys please take some class whichever you think you are interested in, and I'm sure it's gonna help you a lot. Now you must be wondering, this Skillshare must be very expensive, or it'll be very difficult for us to probably join this class, but it's not it. So Skillshare only costs less than 2,400 annual year, which means it's less than 200 rupees per month. And honestly, my coffee per day costs more than this. So I think we should invest, and we should put money into things which help us with new skills or increase our creativity. It also helps you in life in general. Like I am a person who's always curious, even though I'm into filmmaking, I'm into this industry, but I also want to learn about interior designing. I also want to learn about gardening sometimes because I'm always curious, and I feel that the age that we are in, I think if we can find out time and learn different skills, even if it's like a basic level, I think it'll be really good for ourselves so that we grow up and we can do a lot of different things for ourselves. So guys, the link is in the description box. Please join Skillshare for yourself, and the first 1,000 people are gonna get 1 month free trial. So hurry up. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video helps you, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.